Hello, 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 hello. Just got home from school. Cool like that, right? All right, so I'm getting questions on this one right here. The number of barrels of oils, blah, 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 blah. I got a function. T is in months since September, October, November, December. So rate in December would be 3 times, so September, October, November, December. Yeah, okay, 3. So T would be 3. The change of T is the same as H. Okay, they just wrote it this way. So let's see if I can do this. Let's do this. Yes, I'm doing this on the fly, so bear with me. Bear. So, la, 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 la. Let's do this one. Hello. Right there. All right. So, I need this one right here. I need to go here, and I need to go here. And I need a pen. So, basically, they are asking me to find up here. So, let's just call this, so this is barrels B of T. And they're asking me to find B prime of 3. How did I get 3? September, October, November, December, tree. So in other words, T is 3. Change of T equals 1. That's the same as H. So what I would do is, let's just write out the formula because that's what we do best. So I'm going to write it in terms of the problem. So it'd be B of, T plus the change in T minus B of T all over the change in T. All right? And so my T is 3 because September, October, November, December. And then plus the change for this first one would be 1. And so then minus my T is 3 and then over 1. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this function, 21.88 e raised to the 0.059, and where I see a t, I'm going to plug in 3 plus 1. You got 3 apples and then you add an apple. I like apples. And so that would be 4 minus 21.88 e to the 0.059. Well, this one I'm just plugging in 3. And all over 1, which doesn't matter, right? So then I get my trusty calculator here, and I say 21.88. I got clear at first. 21.88. And then I hardly ever use this one, so I got to find E. Raised to the 0.059 times 4. So you need to make sure. Can you see that? I don't know. Can you see that? Maybe. You need to make sure that all of this is in the exponent. And so if I press enter, I get 27.703893991. And you got to be careful with decimal places because you actually need them, as you'll see if you didn't put them. And then I do 21.88. And then I raise to the third power, so that's 26.1166483.2. You ain't got to write all, and it's over 1. You don't have to write all this down because you can just use your calculator, right? And so 27 minus that value, and I get 1.58. And it's like, huh. But I go over here, and 1.588. Oh, because you didn't read the problem. The relative rate of change. Oh. How do you find the relative rate of change? I don't know. Hope you know. So the what happened? Go back. Keep. Let's run you again. So the relative rate of change, remember, as we said in class, for those of you that were paying attention, I wasn't, so I hope you were, is we said we take the derivatives. Why does it keep doing that? So we take the derivative. I don't think I'm on a, I want to write. All right, can I write, please? Can I write? So we want to take the derivative at 3, which is what we just found, and divide it by evaluating the function at 3. Well, we just found this is 1.58. We actually know this. Wow, because that's plugging in 3, right? And so 26 point whatever, because I'm just going to use my calculator. So I'm going to take that 1.58, I'm just saying to grab that value, and I'm going to divide by the 26.11, and I get 0.06077 and all kinds of other stuff. And notice it wants the answer in percent. So I would take and I would move the decimal 1, 2 places and then round. So moving the decimal 2 places and then round, you get 6.1%. You do the same thing for parts B and C. It's just this value right here is going to change to 0.1 and 0.01. So I leave that to you. But there you have it. Done deal. Good luck.